Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, as we move on, Microsoft is trying to push Windows 11 on more and more PCs. And it's actually released a set of features for gamers in Windows 11 that you miss if you're not on Windows 11. And of course, they're pushing this for Windows 10 users, saying, look, there's a reason why Windows 11 is great for gaming. So they mention in there, of course, the Auto HDR, which is the standard and automatic dynamic range with richer colors, deeper contrast, and so on. The direct storage feature that with NVMe SSDs reduces load times and dramatically cuts edge game titles in select supported titles. There's the game bar compact mode and ways of doing things, dynamic lighting, optimized for Windows games. Sorry guys, HDR calibration app, advanced hybrid type of playing, Wi-Fi 6E and 7 support now. 7 does not work on Windows 10. Color filters for colorblind players, automatic super resolution for ARM Copilot PCs, and the fact that there's an Xbox app available for Windows 11. That is some of the reasons. Of course, Xbox app is available for Windows 10 too. But these are reasons why Microsoft is trying to push you towards Windows 11 for gamers. I guess it is surely going to be something interesting for some of the users. Like we did see that Steam users are plenty going to the Windows 11 operating system. So, but gamers are a different breed. We say it all the time. They're more tech savvy usually, and have a lot more advanced hardware. So, a lot of the gamers probably already have a PC that is compatible with Windows 11. So, all of that, Microsoft says, what a great idea to move on to Windows 11 if you're on Windows 10 and you're a gamer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.